Hello students, exercise 9.1, question number 8. The question is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Okay, let's start. First to draw the diagram of this question. So suppose A, this point is A, and up to this is B, AB. AB is the height of the pedestal and BC be the height of the statue, that is 1.6 meter tall. And from a point on the ground, suppose this is a point, any point on the ground, this is D point. D is any point on the ground. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, that is C point, is 60 degree. That means join D and C. Top of the statue, C point, and this is the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. So this angle is 60. And from the same point, that means D point, same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. So from D and B, join DB. This angle is 45. This is 90 degree. So let AB be the pedestal and BC be the statue. Statue is 1.6 meter height, and let the height of the pedestal be x meter. This is x. So this is pedestal and this is statue. And AD ground level, D is any point on the ground. So angle of elevation from D to the top of the statue, that is 60, and from same point D to the top of the pedestal, that is 45 degree. So let AB is taken x meter, be the height of AB be the height of the pedestal, and BC be the height of the statue, height of the statue given BC statue is 1.6 meter and angle CDA is 60 degree, angle BDA is 45. Now, and let DA is H meter. Let the length of the base, that is DA, be H meter. Now in right triangle, first we take 45 degree, that is BDA. AB is perpendicular and DA is the base, that is tan 45, perpendicular by base. So AB by DA equal to tan 45 and AB equal to X and DA equal to H. Tan 45 is 1. So X equal to H. This is number 1. Again, in right triangle, total triangle, that is ACD, perpendicular is AC and base is DA. So perpendicular by base, that is tan angle is 60 degree, tan 60 total angle. So tan 60 and AC is X plus 1.6 total length AC divided by DA is H taken, tan 60 root 3. So X plus 1.6 by, and from 1 we get H and X are same. So we can write here X equal to root 3. Within bracket you write using H equal to X by 1. Okay, now cross multiply. X plus 1.6 equal to root 3x. So 1.6 equal to root 3x minus x. Then 1.6 equal to root 3x minus x. X is common. So x common, root 3 minus 1. X is common, root 3 minus 1. So x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. Then x equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Now use rationalize property, multiply both side by root 3 plus 1. So equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So a plus b into a minus b, root 3 square minus 1 square, that is 3 minus 1, and 1.6 root 3 plus 1, this is x, equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2, and 2 and 1.6, that is 0.8. So equal to, therefore x equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. So what is x? X is the height of the pedestal. Hence Hence, height of the pedestal is 0.8 √3 plus 1 meter. You can write 0.8. So, this is the answer. Thank you.